Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync JVC earbuds. First, make sure both of your earbuds are fully charged. This ensures a smooth and uninterrupted connection process. Next, carefully remove both earbuds from their charging case. They should automatically power on and begin searching for each other. Keep them within a few inches of each other to help them establish their initial connection quickly and efficiently. Once removed from the case, your JVC earbuds should automatically enter pairing mode. You will typically see a flashing indicator light, often blue or white, on one of the earbuds. This light signals that they are ready to connect to your device. Now, open the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. This is where you will find the list of available devices to pair with your earbuds. In your device's Bluetooth menu, you should see the name of your JVC earbuds appear. It will usually be something like JVC HA10T or a similar model number. Select this name to initiate the connection. Once successfully paired, you will typically hear a confirmation sound from the earbuds, and the indicator light will become steady. If your device asks for confirmation, simply accept the pairing request. If you encounter issues, such as only one earbud connecting, try performing a factory reset on both earbuds. Refer to your specific JVC model's manual for exact instructions on how to do this. Also, ensure no other devices are currently connected to your earbuds, as this can prevent a new connection. Remember to always place your earbuds back into their charging case when not in use to disconnect them and keep them charged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.